In this video, I'm going to show you how you can connect to the Wi-Fi on your Samsung Smart TV. So the very first thing we need to do is bring up the settings window. Now you can do this one of two ways. We can either press the home button on our remote located here. Then if we use the left arrow key to come all the way across, you can see this cog icon right at the very end. This is our settings, so go ahead and press OK. Now you can also get to this menu just by coming over to your TV remote, and there should be a button labeled settings, and this will take you directly to this menu. Now from here we just need to scroll all the way down to the general tab, come across to network, and then from here press OK. So you can choose to either go into network status, or we can just come down to open network settings. So from here, this is going to allow us to set up our internet connection. So you can either choose wireless or wired, depending on if you have an Ethernet cable running from your router to your television. If it's just a standard wireless connection, go ahead and select that. Then this is going to perform a quick scan, and this will bring up all of the networks in the area. So all you need to do is scroll down and find your network from this list and press OK. And then you'll just need to enter your Wi-Fi password in this box. So I'm not going to do this in front of you guys as I'm already connected to the internet. But once you've entered your password into the box and you've hit OK, then you'll successfully be connected to the internet. And it's as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then please consider dropping a like and subscribing. Until next time.